I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, so now we've got the chair down in the basement, and I've brought my little helper, Carolyn. Okay, so what you can see is the chair is broken right across here. So we got to take the back off and take the base off. Okay, we got it up on the bench, and we got 2 screws in this back and 4 more in this little pivoting base. So we'll just take them out with a screwdriver. Okay, we can see here the whole bottom is made out of particle board, cheap and crap, about ½ inch thick. Got a crack running all the way across here because this is where the back is screwed in, or right here, these two. And it had a pivot point right here, and just broke right across the back of that bottom plate. They put a couple braces on here trying to fix it, but I didn't do any good. So we're going to take out all these staples, remove this cover and padding, and make another piece. Hopefully I can save all these T-nuts. Okay, it's been a few days since I've been working on this. I decided not to pull all the staples out because there are just a million of them. That's just a waste of time. So I'm just going to cut this off with a razor blade and replace this completely. Okay, and now I'm going to make another piece this size. I've got this circle already, but it's too big, so I'm just going to make a new center and cut it again until it's the right size. Okay, so I used my circle cutting jig for my table saw to resize this circle. Not perfectly round, but it doesn't need to be perfectly round. Now I'm just going to lay this one on top of it. Centered pretty good. And I thinned out my pencil on the end here, and I'll just mark these T-nut locations. And now I can pop these T-nuts out, redrill these holes, and put the T-nuts in the new piece. Okay, I'll just use the hole that's already in this new part. Put a screw into the T-nut, thread it in deep enough, and then just drive it out. Okay, this 5/16 inch spade bit seems about the same size as this T-nut, so I'll just drill all the holes. Got a backboard under here so I don't have any blowouts. Okay, we got all of our holes drilled. I should have had that over here, but that's okay. Not in the integral part of the top. Now I'm just going to drive the T-nuts in. I normally would mark the position of the T-nuts, and where the dimples are, I'd drill a little hole so they set easier, but I really don't care. This is a cheap chair, and it really doesn't matter. So there we go. Okay, I've got this old piece of vinyl I took off a weight bench seat. It's got a big piece of foam on it, but I'm going to use the foam from the chair too to make sure it's nice and comfy. We'll just put our material down. Make sure the T-nuts are facing that direction. So I'm going to start by cutting the foam down so I don't have all this extra foam, and then staple it in place. Okay, we've got the foam trimmed down. It's not too pretty, but it doesn't matter. You'll never see it. Now I'm just going to start pulling the fabric over the side and then stapling along this edge. Okay, so we got it all done up here. Doesn't look too bad. So all we have to do now is take our razor. Hopefully it's sharp enough just to go around and just cut off the excess. There we go. Let's put it back together. Okay, so here's our little chair. Not too bad. I can sit in it, nice and comfortable. Backrest doesn't want to bust off the chair like it did before. Well, I'm kind of pleased with what we got here. So there it is. Chair we got off of Craigslist, I think. A pair of them for $10. Put a new seat on one. Now it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.